Welcome to Health Abshar. Come on guys, today we are going to take you on a tour. Think about where we will take you to the bird park in Malaysia. See what's in it. If you like it, like the video and share it with your friends. The bird park's history dates back from 1888 when the Lake Gardens was first established. The bird park was part of the Lake Gardens back then, but the Kaula Lumpur Bird Park itself was only established back in 1991. Kaula Lumpur Bird Park is a 20.9-acre, 8.5 hectares public aviary in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is located adjacent to the Lake Gardens within a KL Green Lung in Bukit Aman, close to the National Mosque and Royal Malaysian Police Museum. There are more than 3,000 birds representing different places. About 90% are local birds and 10% were imported from countries such as Australia, China, Holland, Indonesia, New Guinea, Tanzania and Thailand. The bird show is a park you must visit, which is located on the left side. Bird Park has two shows daily at 12:30 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. If there are more people, there is an additional show at 10:30. This show lasts for 30 minutes. And most parrots and eagles show off their skills with their trainers. Kids love this show. The theater has a seating capacity of 400 people and the show is free. Some of the main attractions of the park are the Hornbill Park, the Flamingo Pond, the World of Parrots, the Egg Incubation Area, the Bird Gallery and Education Center. Daily activities at the bird park include bird shows, eagle feeding, hornbill feeding and so much more.